Let me do some tutorial to find the irrotational vector. Example. Prove that vector f is irrotational vector. Solution. Let me calculate the curl cross product of del and vector f, where the function f has been given. Let me name the first term f sub 1, the second one f sub 2, and the third one f sub 3. To find the curl, the formula of the curl is partial I partial x plus partial j or partial y plus partial k or partial z cross product of f, which is I into 3x square minus 3yz plus j into 3y square minus 3xz plus k into 3z square minus 3xy. These are f sub 1, f sub 2, and f sub 3. Let me take the cross product of del and vector f, where this is my f sub 1, this is f sub 2, and this is f sub 3. Start from I. Ignore the first two and the first column and take cross product between these four terms, which equals to partial 3z square minus 3xy or partial y minus partial 3y square minus 3xz or partial z. Now take j minus j. Ignore the first row and the second column. Take cross product between these four terms, which equals to partial 3z square minus 3xy or partial x minus partial 3x square minus 3yz or partial z. Now take k plus k. Ignore the first row and the third column. Take cross product between these four terms, which equals to partial 3z square minus 3xz or partial x minus partial 3x square minus 3yz or partial y. Now take their derivatives. The derivative of this term with respect to y is minus 3x. Derivative of this term with respect to z is minus 3x. Derivative of this term with respect to x is minus 3y. And derivative of this term with respect to z is plus 3y. Derivative of this term with respect to x is minus 3z, and derivative of this term with respect to y is plus 3z. Calculate it where the final value of the curl is 0. So I can say that vector f is irrotational vector. Remember, f will be only irrotational if the curl equals to 0. Therefore, vector f is irrotational vector.